Hello everyone, Mountain RC here, and today we will review this remote control high-speed boat from Bezgar, and this is a TX123 model. Like with this model, you will get a case. It's a hard case, so your boat will be safe with you in your trip. Hey, I like this. I like this, like colors. It's like a kind of aggressive. Let's just do some details. Here is our remote control. So here we have a power button, steering trim, LED light, and speed switch. So kind of some setting. In this package we have two batteries. Here is a stand, USB charger, small screwdriver, some small tool, and extra part, rubber nose protection. And this is a plastic bag, so it's a nice features that after playing with your boat on a river or lake, you will be wet, so you can just put inside. And here, awesome, Bezgar, awesome. Here we go. So right now I would like to open this and just put battery inside. Unlock, 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 unlock. Waterproof foam, so everything inside, all battery, motor, everything will be in safe. Okay, here is the all wiring, motor, cooling system. Here is a small, it's servo, battery tray. I just put battery inside. I love Bezgar batteries. There's a small like pull out sticker, so it's really comfortable. Put in, pull out. Hello again. Our batteries are charged, and I would like to go to the water. Just one thing before test it out outside. It will not start until you actually put it on the water. So let's go. Finally, we are on the water, and this is British Columbia, and this is Emerald Lake, and let's test it out. So, as I mentioned before, this boat will start when we put it on the water, because there is the sensors. Let's try it. Yeah, it works. This boat is really fast and really good in its turns. I really appreciate you watching this video. If you like the Bezgar TX123 or are interested in discovering more incredible products from Bezgar, just head to the link in the description and you'll find tons of fun options, including some fantastic boats or sea cars. So order yours today and enjoy your unforgettable summer with Bezgar.